Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. If you're looking to supercharge your new planted fig tree's growth and harvest a bounty of delicious figs, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective pinching technique that transforms your fig tree into a bushy, fruit-producing powerhouse. So, let's get started. Growing a fig tree in your garden is truly a delightful and fulfilling experience that brings a sense of joy and accomplishment to any gardener. The process of tending to the tree, from planting it in the perfect spot with just the right amount of sunlight and soil, to watering and nurturing it as it grows, allows you to form a special bond with nature. But if your fig tree looks like this, a single vertical trunk or a straight whip, you'll want to encourage it to branch out. Pinching, or topping, helps your fig tree grow more evenly and take on a well-shaped, bushy structure. This makes it easier to harvest its delicious fruits. Here's how to do it. Using clean pruners or even your fingers, pinch or cut back the top of the main trunk. This simple step redirects the fig tree's energy to the side branches, stimulating new growth along the main stem. The ideal time to pinch your fig tree is during late winter or early spring, just before new growth begins. This timing allows the plant to heal quickly and promotes fresh growth that covers any wound made during the process. Look at that, just a pinch and we've already begun reshaping the tree. By encouraging new branches, we're directing the tree's energy into producing more fruits instead of just height. That's a win-win. Now, this technique not only helps with growth but also focuses our fig tree's energy into creating fruiting branches. We want a bushy structure, which not only looks good but makes it so much easier to harvest those sweet figs. Imagine this, more branches mean more fruits. And that's what we all want, isn't it? A bountiful harvest that you can enjoy fresh from your garden. For young fig trees, this technique, known as heading back, not only controls the tree's height but also increases the number of fruiting branches. Your tree will thank you with more fruit and better shape. Give your fig tree the care it deserves with this simple pinching technique. It's quick, easy, and the rewards are absolutely worth it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Happy gardening!